going to do, throwing the Strike King Rage Swimmer on a jig head. Let's get down here and see what we can do with it. Got him. Got him. Fish on. Fish on. Good bass. Little spotted bass. Little spot. Yeah. Oh man, that's a big spot. We're gonna flip him. That is a good spot, y'all. Heck yeah, dude. Yes. Get that hook out of there. Oh, he was hooked. Look at that hook. Right in the top. Look at that, baby. Get him. Get him. That's how you do it, baby. That's how you gotta do it. Oh, he slung it. No. There was another little spot. Dang. Alright, it's okay. We have to go deep. We're gonna let it sink. Dang. I guess I got a good enough hook set on. Thought I did though. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. What you got? I think I got him clipped good. Yeah. There's number 2, baby. Look at that. He swallowed that thing, boy. Did he swallow that thing? Look. Swallowed the heck out of it. Heck yeah. That's number 2. That's awesome, man. That is awesome. Alright, let's get him back in the water here. He's gone. He's gone. Hell yeah. Let's get us one more. Here we go. They're all hitting right. They're all hitting close. They're either hitting close or they're following it for a while before they hit it. So I'm hooking them not far out in front of me at all. Like maybe 8 foot off the bank. That's where I'm getting hit. Let it sink. A couple pops. And we'll start a slow retrieve. Oh, there's something there. There's something there. Oh, that was a fish. Get him! Get him! Ooh, he's a zipper. Ooh. Dude, I might have found something right here, dude. Ooh, this little guy's fighting. He's the smallest one, but he has been a fighter. Hell yeah, dude. Look at that one. Another good hook set. Right on top of the head. It's number 3. Heck yeah. I figured him out, man. This Strike King is having a hell of a day right now. Oh, okay. Calm down, everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Alright.